today's video without any further ado. And to fix your WhatsApp unexpected error, basically restart your phone. Like sometimes there's a problem with your phone and restarting it could fix this. So at first restart your phone, and if it still doesn't fixes it, then the other problem could be with your internet connection. If your internet connection is unstable and it keeps on disconnecting you, then you might be facing this problem because WhatsApp isn't able to access a stable internet connection and it's showing you an error. So make sure internet connection is stable, and the another is make sure your WhatsApp is up to date. So for that, go to your Play Store and check. So right now my WhatsApp is up to date. As you guys can see, there's open over here. If it has shown update instead of open, then I need to update it. So make sure your WhatsApp is up to date, because if this problem is caused by a bug, then updating WhatsApp will fix the bug. So another thing is, hold on WhatsApp icon and click on app info, and after coming on app info, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After doing that, go back and click on permission and make sure all this permission is turned over here. And after all this permission is turned over here, then go to WhatsApp and try to open WhatsApp. It should open. And if it still doesn't open, then the another trick I'm going to be teaching you. Now remember, by doing this trick, WhatsApp is going to delete all the chat. It's basically like, relog into your WhatsApp. So when you do not back up your chat and log out of WhatsApp, you know what's going to happen. All your chat with your friend is going to be deleted. So that's why I didn't tell this step at first. But if you have no other option, then you can just hold on WhatsApp, click on app info, go on storage usage, click on clear data, and then click on clear. And doing this, all your chat with your friend is going to be cleared and all your setting of WhatsApp is going to be resetted. And once you try to open WhatsApp, you should be able to log in. So yeah, that's basically how you fix WhatsApp's unexpected error. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, drop it down in the comment. We'll answer you guys and try to solve your problem. And yeah, for the last step, if you clear your data, your chat is gonna be deleted. So there's another way to save it. You can go to another mobile and log into your WhatsApp account from there and back up your chat. And after doing that, you can come over here and then do this. So your chat will be backed up if you do this.